The power of AI models, particularly random forest, in k-fold cross-validation lies in their ability to enhance robustness and accuracy through ensemble learning and systematic validation. Random forest, an advanced AI model composed of multiple decision trees, mitigates overfitting by averaging predictions, leading to improved generalization. Each tree in the forest is trained on different subsets of the data, ensuring that the model does not rely too heavily on any single training instance. This process helps random forest perform well on both structured and unstructured data, making it a preferred choice in various real-world applications, including predictive analytics in education, healthcare, and finance. Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, consultant, and AI/ML architect. When integrated with k-fold cross-validation, random forest ensures that every data point is used for both training and validation, effectively reducing bias and variance. K-fold cross-validation splits the dataset into multiple folds, iterating through training and testing phases across these subsets. This technique ensures that no single portion of the data dominates the learning process, making the model more reliable and accurate. In ISO 21001 management systems, which focus on optimizing educational processes, k-fold cross-validation helps AI-driven models evaluate student performance more objectively. By systematically validating model predictions across different data splits, educational institutions can ensure that AI-based decision-making remains fair, unbiased, and performance-driven. In the context of ISO 21001 management systems, applying k-fold cross-validation to AI-driven performance evaluation models ensures improved predictive accuracy and data-driven decision-making. For instance, AI models can analyze multiple assessment parameters such as online exams, classroom engagement, and student feedback while leveraging random forest to identify patterns in academic performance. This enables educational institutions to gain deeper insights into learning outcomes, tailor teaching methodologies to student needs, and enhance overall institutional efficiency. By implementing robust AI techniques like random forest with k-fold cross-validation, organizations can optimize learning strategies, improve quality assurance, and drive continuous improvement in education. Enhanced predictive accuracy for decision-making. Decision support systems, DSS, rely on accurate and unbiased data analysis to provide meaningful insights. The integration of random forest with k-fold cross-validation enhances predictive accuracy by systematically validating the model across multiple data subsets. This ensures that decisions based on AI-driven models are reliable and robust, reducing the risk of misclassification or bias. In educational DSS under ISO 21001, this approach allows institutions to make data-backed decisions regarding student performance, faculty assessments, and curriculum effectiveness, ultimately improving learning outcomes. Optimized model performance and reliability. Random forest's ensemble learning capability minimizes overfitting by averaging multiple decision trees, while k-fold cross-validation further improves model robustness. This combination ensures that DSS can handle complex datasets with varying patterns, making predictions more generalizable. In an ISO 21001 aligned educational DSS, these techniques enable accurate forecasting of academic trends, identification of struggling students, and proactive intervention strategies. By mitigating variance and bias, the system provides stakeholders with a dependable evaluation framework that enhances institutional decision-making. Data-driven insights for strategic planning. DSS powered by AI models like Random Forest offers actionable insights by analyzing vast amounts of structured and unstructured data. K-fold cross-validation ensures that these insights are based on a comprehensive assessment of all available information rather than isolated subsets. For educational institutions, this translates into improved resource allocation, targeted student support programs, and optimized faculty performance assessments. By leveraging AI-driven DSS, decision-makers can implement evidence-based policies that align with ISO 21001 standards, ensuring continuous quality improvement in education management. Thank you.